Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to share a quick and easy way to snag a free $100 Uber Eats promo code. This method is super straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/eats, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to enter the website. Once you're on the site, the first step is to enter your email address. This is essential because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. After entering your email, the next step is to select whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm choosing that option and hitting the Continue button. Now, the site will start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this takes just a few moments. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to score $100 off your next Uber Eats order. Your promo code is almost ready. But there's one last step. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to select the same ones I'm using. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to make sure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Uber Eats promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Uber Eats promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.